Understanding, "That's great," in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, "That's great." We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some variations to help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. "That's great" is a phrase used to express enthusiasm, approval, or happiness about something. It's often a response to good news or a positive situation. For example, if someone says, "I got a new job," a typical response could be, "That's great." This phrase shows that you are happy for the person and approve of the news. The meaning of "that's great" can change slightly depending on your tone of voice. Enthusiastic tone. When said with excitement, it shows genuine happiness or approval. Flat tone. If said in a monotone or without emotion, it might be interpreted as sarcastic or indifferent. Questioning tone. When said as a question, "That's great," it can imply surprise or disbelief. The phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Personal conversations, to show happiness about someone's good news. Professional settings, to approve or praise a colleague's idea or achievement. Casual encounters, as a polite response to any positive statement. There are many other ways to express the same sentiment. Here are a few. "That's wonderful," "Fantastic," "Amazing," "Good for you." And that's a wrap on "That's great." Remember, the key is in the tone and context. Use it to show your enthusiasm and approval in various situations. We hope this lesson helps you in your English language journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.